All right, I had a great idea. Get it? The light bulb. We're gonna make some shrimp cakes. So here we go. What was that all about? So I went ahead and chopped up some shrimp. Put some shrimp in there. Then some mozzarella. I'm gonna drop an egg. A little bit of Italian parsley. A little bit of Asiago. A little bit of salt. Fresh cracked black pepper. Mayonnaise. Add a shot of flour. And then stir it all up. Now we got it all mixed together nice. Just want to get a spoonful, scoop it up, get it over to the grill, just kind of pat it down. Got the shrimp cakes going a few minutes per side. Go ahead and flip them. There they are, just getting some nice color and finishing up. I love this Blackstone. I highly recommend it. They are ready to come off. They are gorgeous. It's a beautiful night out, a little breezy, so you may hear some noise in the background. But on the menu tonight, we're going to do shrimp cakes with mozzarella and shrimp fried rice on my new Blackstone that my beautiful family got me for my birthday. All right, here we go. Got the griddle heated up, a little oil on there. There we go, about ready to start cooking. Crack some eggs. Alright, now we're taking our eggs off. Right. Alright, gotta get a little oil. A little more oil. Then we'll need a half a teaspoon of garlic. Onions. You just want to get them in there and get them a little soft. So got the oil on there. A little soft, you know, not too much because you're going to be still cooking. They look pretty decent, so you got a little bit of color on them. And cut up some shrimp earlier. You want to add some shrimp. And then you always want to add some more shrimp. There we go. Now you want to cook this shrimp down about 80%. You don't want to cook it all the way because we still have to add more ingredients, and it'll be cooking some more while we still do it. So, about 80%. Now you're going to want to add some onion and some carrots in there. Mix that up. Cook it some more. All right, now we got a tablespoon of soy on 1 pound, tablespoon of soy on the other. Then we're doing a teaspoon of sesame oil, brand new bottle. Some there, some there. Now we put it together. Here we go. Ralphie Hanna. There it is. And there you have it, shrimp fried rice. All right, well, here it is. Shrimp fried rice. Let's give it a try. For an Italian cooking Chinese in the mountains on a griddle, this is damn good. Mange. Wow, it's really good. Oh yeah. Shrimp cakes. Also very good. Enjoy.